Let us spend some more time on this case study, finite automaton accepting strings ending with 0, 1. We saw that the regular expression corresponding to this was 0 plus 1 star followed by 0, 1. Supposing I want to convert this into, say, finite automaton, what we can do is the following. At a state, say Q0, you read any number of zeros and ones, and followed by, on 0 you go to Q1, and on 1 you go to Q2. Stop the mission when you are at Q2. Now you see that this one, you go over this twice, say first time it is 0, second time it is 1, then followed by say 0, 1. Or 3 times you go over and in all the time you read 1 followed by 0, 1. So we see that it clearly accepts a prefix which could be any combination of zeros and ones followed by the suffix is always 0, 1. Now here is an automaton which is very different from this. Structurally they are different because Q0 comma 1 is 1 and Q0 comma 0 over here is Q1, whereas over here Q0 comma 0, it can either stay in Q0 or it can go to Q1. So which means are there some unique features for this which you don't see here, and vice versa. Let's look at the transition function. Over here it is delta of Q0 comma 0 is Q1. It is going to exactly one state. Not just for this. You look at any transition, delta of say Q2 comma 0, you see that it goes to Q1. If you look at any transition, any element in the domain, it maps to exactly one element. Let's look at this. Over here, delta of Q0 comma say 0, you see that it is mapping to Q0 and Q1. So in fact it is not even a function, which is why I am saying map. It is mapping. So you have Q0 comma 0. Q0 comma 0 is mapped to Q0 and it is also mapped to Q1. So it is just a map, and Q0 comma 0, you see that it is mapping to more than one state. Whereas over here it is a function and you see that it is mapping to exactly one state. Or over here the function definition is overloaded. If you still use transition function here, you have to notice that the standard definition says for each of them there should be exactly one image, whereas for missions of this type you see that it is mapping to more than one. Okay. So these missions are called non-deterministic missions. So for a non-deterministic mission, if you look at the transition function and it is not matching with the standard definition of function, reason on this say Q0 comma 0, you can move to more than one state, in fact set of states. These missions are called deterministic mission. By deterministic we mean you are at a state, on reading an input symbol you go to exactly one state. Over here you go to set of states, and that's where these two are differing. So for a given language, one can come up with a deterministic finite automaton and a non-deterministic finite automaton. At least for this example, you see that for a non-deterministic finite automaton, there is an equivalent deterministic finite automaton. Suppose you are given this, one can come up with a procedure and algorithm using which one can construct a deterministic finite automaton. So that's one fundamental question. So given a regular expression, supposing you construct a non-deterministic mission, how do we arrive at a deterministic mission? And that's one question. Another one, for this language, so here is a mission M1 and here is a mission M2. Now the natural question is, for a given language, how many different finite automatons are possible? For this we have no 2, can we discover some more? So for a given language, how many different finite automatons are possible? Fine, so we shall look at couple of more case studies and then get insights into the design of finite automatons. Maybe that learning will help us in answering these questions.